Hello everyone, I hope you all will be fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let's start our today's session. In our today's session, I have brought some numerical problem related with a combination of resistances. So let's start to solve these numerical problems, okay? But these numericals are a little bit different, which we have not done in the previous session. So the question is, for the circuit shown in the diagram, what is the value of current through 6 ohm resistor and the potential difference across 12 ohm resistor? So here that is given. Now the cell which is having the potential difference 4, and these two resistors have been connected in series 6 and 3 ohm, and the next two resistors have been connected in series 12 ohm and the 3 ohm. Okay, so now they are asking the current through 6 ohm resistor. So as I have taught you, whenever the resistances have been connected in series, so the current whatever will flow in the 6 ohm resistor, that will flow same in the 3 ohm resistor. So what we have to do first here? So first of all we will find out the combination. So for the first case 6 plus 3, what you will get it 9 ohm. Now in the second case, this combination, this is also in series, 12 plus 3, what we will get here 15 ohm. So first of all we will find out the current in the first case. Okay, so now 6 ohm and the 3 ohm combination, it is to be there. So V is equals to I into R. So I is equals to V over R we have to do. So V, it is given here 4 volts, so 4 you have to use. The combination for the first case, that 6 plus 3, this is of 9 ohm. So this when you will divide it, then you will get there the value whatever you are getting. So like suppose 0.0, then you have to divide and you will get there the current through which current flows which through 6 ohm and the 3 ohm resistor. And the next case, what you have to do, they are asking the current through 12 ohm resistor. So what we have to use? We have to use that combination of resistances. So because whatever the current will flow in 12 ohm, that will flow in the 3 ohm resistor. So here we have to use this combination. Actually this has been asked in this question. Okay, so we will do here. In that case V is equals to I into R. Again I is equals to V over R. That you can use their I2. Just earlier we have taken I1 here, so that V is equals to I1 into R. Okay, so here you have to use their I2. So I2 is equals to V over R. So V we are having here 4 ohm, and the combination of resistance 12 plus 3, that is of 15 ohm. So when you will divide it, that value you will get it 0. You have to put their decimal, 15 to the 30, then 7. This is of ampere. If you will divide this, then 9 fours are, again 9 fours are, that will come in 0.44 ampere. So we are having the answer for the current through 6 ohm. I have got the current for both the cases, but they are asking the current for 6 ohm resistor. So for 6 ohm resistor, the answer will be this 0.44. Okay, and for 12 ohm resistor, means that means 12 and 3, or otherwise the question will be asked in terms of 3 ohm resistor, so that will be 12 plus 3, because in that case we are having 3 ohm and 3 ohm, so that will not be asked. These two are the different resistors, so that will be asked. Okay, now after that what you have to do? Now potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor. So what you will do in that condition? So we have to use their V is equals to I into R. So they are asking the 12 ohm resistor. So potential difference will be different if two different resistances have been connected in series. So you have to use V is equals to I. In that case 12 plus 3, that we are having 0.27. So 0.27 resistance, it is given 12 ohm. So 0.27 into 12, if you will multiply, 3.24 volt. So this will be the answer for the second part of the question for this 12 ohm resistor. Okay, so I think you all have got it how to solve this question. Let's come on the another part of the question, second question. This question, it is in the given circuit, The cell and the ammeter both have negligible resistance. The resistances are identical with the switch K open. The ammeter reads 0.6 ampere. What will be the ammeter reading when the switch is closed? Okay, and when the switch will be open? Both the case we will discuss. You see here, they are saying you are having two resistances. The value is not given, so we will consider this is of R ohm. So that we can put there R, and R ohm. First, if the key is open, if the key will be open, then what will happen? The circuit will get break and the combination of these two resistances will be used only. Okay, so now what you will do for the combination, and they have been connected in parallel combination. So what you will do, 1 over R is equals to 1 over R plus 1 over R. That this is the combination. So you will get 1 over R is equals to, this is R, 1 plus 1, so you will get it 2 over R, and this is of 1 over R dash. So this combination we are getting of resistances when the key is open. Okay, now, or in this case, as you have to find out the potential difference, so V is equals to I into R. So I, it is given, that is 0.6 ampere in the question, and resistance we are having 2 by R. Okay, so 2 by R, so that you will, if you will multiply, so you will get it 0.3 R. So this will be the potential difference in that case. Okay, second case, if the key will be closed, so what will happen? All the resistances will come in the combination. Then what we have to use in the second case, all the resistances will be used. Suppose 1 upon R double dash, 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. Third one will be also added in the combination, so that you have to use R. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is of 1 upon R double dash. So now 1 upon R double dash, it is of 3 over R. We are getting this combination. So now as you have to find out the potential difference in that case, V is equals to I into R. So in place of I, you have to put there 0.6. 0.6 we have got it. Okay, but okay, R by 3, you are getting R dash 3 by R, 1 upon R dash 3 by R. So we have to use V is equals to IR. You can put there, this is of R dash or R double dash in that condition. So suppose this is of R double dash, so in place of R double dash, if you will find out R double dash, so it becomes R by 3. Okay, so now here R by 3 it is to be written. So we will get it if you will solve it. So I, we were having, this is of 0.6 ampere. That condition was given in the question. Let's see. The resistances are identical with the switch K open. The ammeter reads. Okay, when the switch K is open, then the ammeter gives this reading. Okay, but now we have closed it. So in that condition, what is to be done? We have to use the potential difference. So this current is not to be there. This we have to find out. So here you have to put there I, and the potential difference recently we have got 0.3 R. So here you have to write 0.3 R into I into R upon 3. Is it clear? So what is to be done in that case? I is equals to 0.3 R into 3. Okay, that is to be there, and divided by R also. Okay, so now R to R will be cancelled. That will be cancelled, and we will get a 0.9 ampere. This will be the answer of this question. Okay, so I think you all have got it how to solve this question. First of all, you read the question properly, then this will be able to help how to solve this question. Conditions are there, I am reminding. When the key will get open, in that condition only these two resistances will be connected. When the key will be closed, then all three resistances will be connected. Okay, so that's all for today's session.